Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's September 28th, 2025. It's the end of the day today. Had a real busy day today. Todd, who was a longtime viewer of the channel, he came over and really helped with the demo work over here during the spring months, or the end of the winter, spring months and all, which was really handy, helpful. And he ended up coming over today too to help with a major project. So this central garden plot, we had weed mats all around that were used to, to cover the area between cover crops and regular crops and all, and they just got completely, well, weeds started growing through all of those weed mats and all. And Todd helped me get all of those up today. A few of them we can definitely salvage. Todd used the Eagle broom and the Eagle leaf blower to go ahead and clean them up real well. Worked all day removing all the staples, digging those out. There's so much soil and plant material deeply attached to them, made them weigh a ton. And so some of them I brought out back. I'll put them into a pile and see, can the weeds and grasses that are growing up through the weed mats, can they break down over a year's time and release the soil, and see, is there any value to trying to salvage those weed mats? They're several years old. 4 that Todd was able to clean up here are newer ones that were around the margins on the outside, the perimeter of the central garden. And so these mats were salvageable. So while Todd was still cleaning these ones up, I came over here, did some transplants with some of the thornless blackberry plants, and did some weed whacking over here. I don't know that the plants that I tried transplanting here are going to survive, but I did some weed whacking. I got to do some raking, but my thought is to lay down some weed mats just to suppress some of the other coverage here. And I'll probably try and get some, hopefully once the building's up, we'll be able to get this blocked off so the deer won't get in here. But I may try to put some temporary fence up because the deer will be in there eating those tonight or tomorrow. Who knows? So anyways, not too much video footage. I may include some time lapse over there while Todd and I were working. I'm not sure how valuable that will be, but sorry for the not posting much of a video for today or yesterday's work by the time this goes up and all. But it was real good having Todd here. He's a good friend, very helpful, and good hard worker, old school approach and all. Really like that a lot. So anyways, that's about it for today's video, folks. Really appreciate you watching and your comments and your thumbs up. So I hope you folks have a wonderful day. Stay safe and take care. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.
Rise and shine at the crack of dawn. Got a list of chores that's miles long. Grab my gloves and my trusty hoe, weeding out the rows where the wild ones grow. Thistles and dandelions, they fight me back, but I'll pull them up, no turning back. Oh, there's no end to the jobs on our farm. Weeding, whacking, mowing from morn till alarm. Pruning branches, thinning fruit so sweet, planting seeds and transplanting neat. Pot them up and watch them grow. Endless chores, but that's the life we know. Fire up the whacker, trim the edges clean. Mow the lawn till it's looking mean. Prune the bushes, shape them just right. Thin apples under the bright sunlight. From the garden beds to the orchard trees, these we give it all we got. Oh, there's no end to the jobs on our farm. Weeding, whacking, mowing from morn till alarm. Pruning branches, thinning fruit so sweet, planting seeds and transplanting neat. Pot 'em up and watch 'em grow. Endless chores, but that's a life we know. If you're new here, come on in. We got stories to share. Let the journey begin. Life on the farm, where the air's fresh and true. There's always something new, something for you. Welcome to our homestead, where we grow and learn, where the seeds we plant, watch them twist and turn. From the garden to the barn, we're all in this together. Come along, we'll make it better. Whatever the weather, from the crack of dawn to the setting sun, we've got chores to do, and we're always on the run. But we share the moments, the highs and the lows, the beauty of life as it ebbs and it flows. Welcome to our homestead, where we grow and learn, where the seeds we plant, watch them twist and turn. From the garden to the barn, we're all in this together. Come along, we'll make it better. Whatever the weather, it's not always easy, but it's worth the ride. Through the muddy fields and the countryside, we're learning each day, and we're sharing it too. Come along, there's a place for you. Welcome to our homestead, where we grow and learn, where the seeds we plant, watch them twist and turn. From the garden to the barn, we're all in this together. Come along, we'll make it better. So hit that subscribe and stay with us a while. We're sharing our story, every step, every mile. Welcome to our homestead, where life's rich and true. We're so glad to have you. We'll make it through with you.
Out where the trees lean low and the shadows run deep, there's a patch of earth that won't let me sleep. Twisted roots and stones like bones in the clay, but I fired up the Hulk, gonna clear me away. I'm taming this ground, one pass at a time. Through the dust and the grind, I make it mine. With the Hulk growling low and the soil blade down, I'm carving out order from this stubborn ground. Yeah, I'm taming this ground, no turning around. Dead trees like ghosts still stand in the way. Branches like arms trying to make me stay. But the quick attach comes like a song I know, tearing through the mess where nothing would grow. I'm taming this ground, one pass at a time. Through the dust and the grind, I make it mine. With the hope growling low and the soil blade down, I'm carving out order from this stubborn ground. Yeah, I'm taming this ground, no turning around. These roots run deep like the years on my face, but I've got steel and will in this wild place. It's not just dirt, it's a story I write. One rock, one root, one fight at a time. I'm taming this ground, one pass at a time. Through the sweat and the strain, I draw the line. With the hope by my side and the earth spinning round, I'm breaking it loose till it's level and sound. Yeah, I'm taming this ground. This battle's my crown. So let the sticks snap and the stones fly free. This land won't win, it's working for me. With grit in my hands and diesel in my soul, I'm taming this ground, making broken things whole.